Hey everyone, it's Kelly. How are you? I'm the Frugal Fun Mum here in Adelaide, Australia. Welcome to the channel and to today's video where it's Wednesday, so we're doing something food related, and today is a bit of a what's for dinner. So over the past couple of weeks I've just filmed a whole lot of stuff that we've had with Markdown shopping and some of our grocery haul things and put everything together as our dinner plan. So just to show you sort of what the meat or the markdown item was that then inspired the rest of the meal. So it's what I have for you today, because our grocery hauls are not much because I'm waiting for the next Flybuys offer, and so I've put this together for you guys. I hope it inspires you, so check it out. Well, there you go, guys. That is everything for this week. Thank you so much for joining with me. A little bit different, not showing you my grocery haul, but we really just need to start having things out of the fridge and the freezer. You all know what my freezer looks like, and so I just really wanted to sort of film as we were going. We've had a hectic couple of weeks with school, going back on work and everything else, so in between trying to film everything else, this just seems sort of like one of the easiest things. And I haven't actually done a what's for dinner overview for a little while, so I thought that I would put it together for you guys. Hope it inspired you for some meal ideas. Leave me a comment below and let me know if there's anything that you saw that you thought you'd like to make, or anything different that you might have made with the main meat or the main inspiration item. Please give this video a thumbs up if you haven't already, and subscribe to the channel because we would love to have you as part of our frugal fun family. But as always, I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye!